In this material, I will show you how we can connect Google Gemini with n8n in a few minutes. So basically, when we want to use any A node inside n8n, we need to give it some model to work with. For example, Google Gemini. So let's take a look at A agent, for example. And now here we can add the model. So let's pick Google Gemini. And then we need to create our very own credential. So we need to give an API key. To get this API key, you need to go ahead to aastudio.google.com and here click on Get Started. And after you do this, in the left bottom corner, you will have a notification to get API key. You click here, then in the right top corner, you click on Create API key. You give it a name, so let's say test. And now you need to pick the project, or even you can create a new project. So let's create a new project here. The name of this project also will be a test. We can create a project. And after we do this, we are able to create our very own API key. So we can click on Create Key, and then we are able to just copy this API key. Once we do this, we go back to n8n and we paste the key right here and we click on Save. Once we do this, we are able to chat with our A agent. And now, for example, let's type Hey. So it uses our Google Gemini model to create for us a response. We need to wait a while. So once it's done, we can see it used our Google Gemini, and here it created for us a response. Hi there, how can I help you today? If you wanna see other valuable tutorials like this and don't miss out any video in the future, leave a like, click the subscribe button, and let me know in the comments if you successfully connected Google Gemini with n8n. For now, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.